Hello everyone, and welcome back to another easy English listening story. My name is Bella, and today we are going to explore Tokyo together for the very first time. In this story, you will hear simple English conversations about travel, food, shopping, trains, and daily life in Japan. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can relax and enjoy the story without stress. This video is perfect for beginners because we will use easy vocabulary, simple sentences, and natural repetition many times during the conversation. Before we start, I have a small listening challenge for you. During this story, I buy something special inside a small shop in Tokyo. Please listen carefully and try to discover what I buy. At the end of the video, you can write your answer in the comments in English. Alright, are you ready? Let's begin our adventure in Tokyo. Wow, Tokyo feels so big and exciting already. I just left the train station, and there are people everywhere around me. I can see tall buildings, colorful signs, and many small restaurants on this street. Everything looks so different from my city back home. I feel excited, but I also feel a little nervous because this is my first time in Japan, and I do not know this area very well yet.
Excuse me, are you trying to find something? You have been looking at your phone and checking the street signs many times. My name is Ken, and I live near this station. Tokyo can feel confusing during the first visit, especially around busy train stations because there are so many streets and people everywhere.
Oh yes, I think I am a little lost right now. My hotel is close to this station, but I walked in the wrong direction after leaving the train. My name is Bella, by the way. I arrived in Tokyo only 1 hour ago, so everything still feels very new and unfamiliar to me.
Nice to meet you, Bella. Do not worry too much because many visitors get lost here during their first day. Tokyo is huge, and even local people sometimes use maps to find places. If you want, I can help you find your hotel before I go to work. I still have some free time this morning.
Really? Thank you so much, Ken. That would help me a lot. Before this trip, I watched many videos about Tokyo online, but seeing the city with my own eyes feels completely different. The streets are busy, but everything also feels very clean and organized. Even the small shops look interesting to me.
Yes, many travelers say the same thing during their first visit. Tokyo is famous for its bright lights and crowded streets, but there are also many quiet and relaxing places hidden around the city. Some small neighborhoods are very peaceful, especially in the morning before the streets become crowded.
I really want to explore those places. I love visiting famous attractions, but I also enjoy walking through normal streets and seeing everyday life. I think small cafes, local shops, and quiet parks are sometimes more interesting than tourist attractions because they feel more real and natural.
I understand exactly what you mean. Tokyo has many different sides. One street can feel loud and modern, while the next street feels calm and traditional. That is one reason why I enjoy living here. Even after many years, I still discover new places around the city.
I am already surprised by small things here. A few minutes ago, I saw several vending machines outside the station selling colorful drinks and snacks. I almost stopped to look at every single machine because they looked so different and interesting compared to the ones in my country.
Vending machines are everywhere in Japan. Many visitors find them interesting because they are clean, bright, and easy to use. You can buy drinks, snacks, coffee, and sometimes even hot food from them. They are very common in Tokyo because people use them every day.
That is so interesting. Also, I feel a little hungry now because I did not eat much during the flight. I want my first meal in Tokyo to feel special, even if it is something simple. Maybe ramen, rice, or Japanese curry. I really want to try authentic Japanese food during this trip.
Then you are lucky because there is a small ramen restaurant near your hotel. Many local people eat there during lunchtime because the food is warm, delicious, and affordable. The owner is very friendly, and the menu has pictures, so it is easy for tourists too.
That sounds perfect for me. I was nervous about ordering food because I do not speak much Japanese yet, but maybe it will be easier than I imagined. I practiced a few simple expressions before my trip, and I hope I can use them during my stay here in Tokyo.
Do not worry too much about your Japanese. Most people will understand that you are visiting from another country. Usually, if you speak politely and stay calm, everything will be fine. Many tourists feel nervous at first, but after a few days they become more comfortable.
I hope so. Traveling alone feels exciting, but also a little scary sometimes. Still, I think these experiences help people grow and become more confident. Even getting lost near the station today already feels like part of my Tokyo adventure.
That is a very good way to think about it. Sometimes the unexpected moments become the best memories. Also, traveling slowly and exploring without rushing can make a trip feel much more special and relaxing.
Oh, look over there, Ken. Is that a souvenir shop near the corner? I can see colorful keychains, toys, and small decorations inside the window. The store looks very cute, and I already want to go inside and explore everything.
Yes, that shop is very popular with visitors. They sell many traditional souvenirs and handmade items from Tokyo. If you want, we can stop there for a few minutes before going to your hotel. We still have enough time before I need to go to work.
Really? Thank you, Ken. I would love to visit the shop for a few minutes. Everything in Tokyo already feels exciting to me. Even small stores on normal streets. Back home, I usually do not spend much time looking inside souvenir shops, but here everything feels new and interesting because it is my first day in Japan.
That happens to many travelers during their first visit here. Sometimes people enter a shop for only 2 minutes, but then they stay inside for a long time because there are so many little things to see. Japanese stores often pay attention to small details, so even simple products can look beautiful and special.
Wow, look at all these small keychains and cute figures near the entrance. I can also see postcards, fans, and little boxes with Japanese candy. Everything looks colorful and organized very carefully. I think my younger sister would love this place because she enjoys cute things and anime characters very much.
Yes, many tourists buy gifts for family members here. Some people also collect small items from every city they visit. It becomes a nice memory after the trip ends. Personally, I think small souvenirs are better than expensive things because they remind you of simple moments during your journey.
I agree with you. Oh, this little cat keychain is so cute. The face looks funny and friendly at the same time. I think my sister would smile immediately if she saw this. And look at these tiny notebooks with Japanese drawings on the covers. Even the notebooks look different from the ones I usually see at home.
Japanese stationery is very popular with visitors. Many people come to Tokyo and buy pens, notebooks, stickers, and small office supplies because the designs are creative and colorful. Some stores in Tokyo sell entire floors filled with stationery products. You would probably enjoy visiting those places too.
I definitely want to visit them later during my trip. Oh, and I think I will buy this cat keychain for my sister. It is small, simple, and easy to carry in my bag. Also, every time she looks at it, she will remember that I bought it during my first day in Tokyo.
That sounds like a very good choice. The cat design is actually inspired by traditional Japanese lucky cats. Many people believe they bring good luck and happiness. You can see them in restaurants, shops, and sometimes near the entrances of buildings around the city.
Really? That makes the gift feel even more special now. I love learning small cultural details like that because they make traveling more interesting. Before coming to Japan, I mostly knew famous things from the internet, but now I am learning many simple details about daily life here too.
That is one of the best parts about traveling, Bella. Small moments and simple discoveries often become the most memorable experiences. Tokyo is full of little details like that, and I think this trip will give you many special memories.
I think so too, Ken. Honestly, I already feel very happy. And this is only my first morning in Tokyo. Thank you for helping me today, and for showing me this nice little shop. I was nervous before, but now I feel much more relaxed and excited to explore the city.
You are very welcome, Bella. I am happy I could help you during your first day here. Now, let's go find your hotel before I become late for work. After that, your real Tokyo adventure can finally begin.
That sounds perfect. All right, everyone. Thank you for joining me on my first adventure in Tokyo today. And do not forget the listening challenge. What did I buy inside the souvenir shop? Please write your answer in the comments in English. See you again very soon for another easy English story.